Hey tubers, guess what? Well, I finally got some mail here. A long-awaited Billstmaxx sticker. Yeah, freaking, he had his contest there for it's like 500th video, and so I won a sticker. So yeah, but and we got the new hard drive came in for the laptop. So the laptop's back up and running. Probably should have made a video how I swapped it, but excuse me, it wasn't hard. Just grabbed the little screwdriver, took the 2 screws out, pulled the whole drive system out of it, took 2 other screws out, which took the caddy off, and there you go. That simple. But so we're gonna go put our sticker on. Yeah. So where's the put the sticker, tubers? On that? Nah. It's got a rough texture. Wouldn't stick on there. You know what I'm thinking? Right there. Yep. Right there, tubers. Oh, Billy. So, well, I can't hold the camera and put this decal on, so, alright, tubers. Maybe I can. Oh, bear with me here, tubers. Drop that to the ground. Try to line her up there best we can. You gotta start in the middle. I'll work my way out. I don't got them fancy tools like Billy has for putting these on. So I just use my hand here. Make sure she's on there real good. Big shakes. The freaking outer paper is on there real good. There we go. On tire. Look at that, Billy. I know you like the John Deere's, but now you're on a Cub Cadet. Billy's on the Cub Cadets. Oh, freak sakes, Billy, you're on the Cub Cadets now. But, freak sakes. It's like the highlight of the video today, guys. Shiny. There's Daisy. Look at her. Look at that pliance. Yeah, I don't know, tubers. So, last video I showed you the car. It's kind of decked. But, hood up. Son of a bitch. And I don't know. Guess we're gonna tinker with the Holly here and then get it put back on, and we're gonna make a video about the TV here. We got a TV. It's not really garbage picked, but more or less it is. We're gonna go ahead and show you how to fix it. But so yeah, that's what's coming up. Daisy, you want a cigarettes? You want a cigarettes, Daisy? Daisy, you want to come get a cigarette? Come on, come get a cigarette, Daisy. Oh yeah, she likes the cigarettes. You can tell. Not really. She's on the kibbles. Oh, you like that kind? Don't let News Monkey Josh have it. But gonna send this over to dead, and the air cleaner's not real good, but not real bad. A little dusty. But yeah, I'll make a video of that later too. I'm gonna be hooking his truck up with an air filter because can't get no one else to fab him one up. So yeah, friggin' Bowtie Madness is gonna fab him up an air cleaner. It's son of a bitch, you can tell. Summit Racing was painted orange like years ago on the chrome. It seals up real good, you can tell. Paint on chrome works great. Yeah, so anyway, until we get on this TV video, that's all for right now, and then we'll get on that air cleaner video. In the meantime, I'm gonna pick up some scrap and stuff and clean things up, and so I'll get back. Well, tubers, here we are, we're working on the television, and yeah, it's a little dark, but for sakes, that's what we gotta work with. So try to be quick here so I don't burn up too much time with the videotaping. And we like 4 screws. There's one. Hurry up and get these out. And over here's one. Get the damn screwdriver to get in there. Holy hell, tubers, I dropped ya. Holy crap. Sorry, tubers, we're still taping. USB hickey come out and every stuff. For sakes. Damn camera guy, huh? That's when he thought things were gonna get better here. Freaking dropping the camera. Well, tubers, there's the 4 screws out. There's the back off. Holy crap, the back's off just like that. Now, the question is, where's the part? I heard it rolling around in here. Don't ever touch the picture tube. I've been told don't touch the picture tube. And they should be discharged basically when you unplug them. So I'm told, but don't touch it. Unless you know for a fact that it's discharged. Just don't touch it. Like Billy says. It's better off not getting zapped than getting zapped. Alright, let's see. Put you on the old tripod here. And I'll zoom you in just a little bit. I'm going to stand her up and see if I can find that button. Heard something jingle. Oh, there's part of the broken thing. Oh, freak sakes, tubers. It's really dick. Thought we'd be able to fix her, but freaking bottom leave. Huh? I have to leave. Oh, Josh call? Yeah. What? Another one. Oh. Oh, we're on the YouTube live. For sakes, I don't know what to tell you, tubers. I'm gonna have to improvise. Let me get up here and show you this on the camera here, little buddy. But here's the part. And right here, there was a little tab stuck up. And then when you push the button, you bloop, bloop, bloop. But so I'm gonna have to put a little screw in there or something, keep that from falling back. So bear with me, too. You can see down in there. Took a screw down through and then cut the head off, and now it sits back in place. I had to reassemble it. Say hi to YouTube, Nick.
Hi.
What you eating?
Pussy in a bowl.
Oh, is that your favorite kind?
Uh-huh.
Oh, we like that kind.
Yes, free pussy.
Alright, we'll put the camera back on the tripod here. Spin YouTube around here a little bit. Alright, your fan club's coming. Alright, there we are. He didn't even see out here.
This is Phil. He doesn't know what the hell he's doing yet. Wait till he plugs it in. What?
Alright. Oh yeah, just put the baffle on.
I'll beat your ass.
Hope for the best that the flux capacitor's not burnt.
For those of you who don't know, that's flux capacitor from Back to the Future.
Trying to get this to sit back in the hole. 6. There it is. There we go.
Now for the moment of truth.
Oh, this is door grin. We love that kind.
Phil, please come here a minute.
Oh, and I got 2 screws to put in. That'll be in. Oh, everybody likes me. I'm popular. Must be something else to fix. Freaking sakes. I gotta get the freaking light to hang above my head that says on air. But holy. And Nick was all jumpy when I fired up the grinder. He's like, oh, you're gonna hit me if this works. I'm like, no, man, you're eating. Move that to the side, move that to the side. Unplug the grinder. On my way. 6. Well, let's see, tubers, is it gonna work? Oh, didn't fit. Oh, there it is. Let's see if we get any kind of picture to show you. Oh, there you go. Look at that, tubers. Feels like it's a little cattywampus. There we go. I think they got her now. Yep. Yep. It's a little cattywampus. Some kind of adjusting to it. But, yeah. There we go. As you can see, that would have been one that went to the dumpster, but now it's not. It's got a new home. Soul's way kind of, sort of. It's even got the AV video jacks. See? Oh, we love that kind. We love that kind, right, tubers? So, well, it seems like I'm wanted elsewhere, so we gotta go. Gotta go.